Kitchen is the place where you start your day and need to be super productive irrespective of gender. The color combination for the kitchen plays an essential role in making you start a day positively. You can either play with bright colors, make your kitchen pop out, or increase your output by using creativity. But if you find it challenging to choose the colors that match your mood, we have curated a list of color combinations for the kitchen. We provide you the best colors that you can use to elevate the space beautifully. White, grey, blue, yellow, green and red are prominent colors for the kitchen to shine. This part of the home often need extra cleaning because they are a messy and busy part. So choose a paint that can stand against stains and dirt. They should be easy to clean, such as satin or semi-gloss finishes. Check out for some of the perfect color combinations for kitchen you can implement into your house. If you like the video, please like and share. Do subscribe to Allied Studio Wall for more updates.